Good morning, everybody. It's your pre-market update here for January 16th. We take a look at what SPY is this morning. We're at 198.5, which is lower than yesterday's close. Interesting session in the overnight for futures here. We closed around 199.25 on the SPY, and then by 8 o'clock last night, we were already down about 14 handles. And then this morning here, rallied back to sort of positive territory, flat almost. And now we kind of retrace back to the downside. It's looking like we're ready to open here, down 10 handles, down 8 handles, around there. Some interesting news this morning here is Goldman Sachs reported earnings. This thing actually beat earnings, but is still reacting negatively here to the earnings call. And if you take a look at this name for the past 3 months here, again, this thing has gotten absolutely slaughtered here, 20 points. Most of the other banks, again, are still slaughtered, still waiting for that bounce. Citigroup, Bank of America, all these things are showing red in the pre-markets here, so we'll see what happens there. I'm still waiting for the turnaround here. The snapback rally could be pretty nice on this thing. Some other news here. Netflix caught an upgrade. Price target increase and stock to outperform here. She hasn't been able to really break the 320 area. So it's very interesting. Kind of feels like Twitter at 35.5 right here. So, let's say the market does rebound here. This thing might be your name to come in and sort of dip by. And go for the long here. Some other interesting news here this morning. We had Intel earnings post last night. We take a look at that intraday activity. So far, it's not looking that bad. So she closed at around 36 and change. Stock was down off the news here, and we're back here to positive. We're back here sort of to flat territory. This is probably the most bullish thing that I've seen, even though it doesn't look that bullish. In the past 5 days. One very, very interesting piece of news this morning is this FXCM. This is one of the largest brokerages for foreign currency trading. And you can see what's going on here. This is all on the backs of the significant losses from the Swiss franc incident that happened last night. They're saying client accounts lost a ridiculous sum of money here. And this brokerage absolutely got smoked. So you're looking at this thing down 85% after these significant losses that its clients took. And again, these are those black swan events that nobody can really account for, whether you're on the tech side of things, whether you're on the broker side of things, or whether you're on the client side of things. When these things tend to happen, they do ruin a lot of people here. All right, so econ news is pretty light here this morning. Remember, it's Friday today. Things are going to get very, very exciting. Remember, anybody playing those weekly options, you're going to get some nice moves here today all day. So it should be very interesting. Stay light on your feet. Make sure your direction is the right side here or get out quick. But it should be a fun day, guys. We'll see you this evening.